we really didn't know a lot about anything, and we just really had to do our research, keep doing the work, and just know that it's not going to happen overnight.
Yeah.
It's going to take time.
What's going on, everybody? Steve here, Rake and Profit over at rakeandprofit.com. You like that one?
Oh, yeah.
Coming back to you guys with another video, and I am here with Martin and Christina
Yeah.
with Thrift Store Gold YouTube channel. And I still remember, last Connecticut thrifting meetup,
A couple months ago.
we did I think you were at a couple hundred subscribers. We did a video.
I just hit 100, yeah, and we did a video about kind of just what I was doing.
Yeah.
And that actually boosted me up to 400 subscribers. So thank you to everybody that did come to our channel. We really appreciate you guys. But yeah, we've been going off from there, hustling every day, putting out content.
That's cool. You guys are boyfriend and girlfriend.
Yep.
I didn't know if it was husband and wife yet.
Not yet.
That's cool though. And how old are you guys?
Both 21.
Wow, 21, and
Yeah.
you guys, you recently quit your job, right?
Yep, I started doing this full time last, I guess, November, December-ish. And then she just made the jump 2 weeks ago in June, 1st of June, pretty much. We both started going full time.
So you guys are selling a lot of clothes right now.
Yes.
And sorry for the noise right now. We got huge 18-wheelers going by and whatnot.
Yeah.
But you guys are mostly selling clothing on eBay right now.
Yes.
It's interesting because when people get started selling on eBay, they choose something. Some go with shoes, some go with clothes, antiques, vintage items. You chose clothes. Why?
Well, there's a specific reason, really. Our Goodwills on Saturday mark all the clothing down to $1.
Oh.
So that's pretty much why. We pretty much just get anything that we can get for $1 that will sell for more than $1.
Now, do you have because a big mistake I notice
Yeah.
a lot of people make when they first get started reselling is they buy anything because it's cheap. And then what happens is they build up what's known as a death pile.
That was our problem.
So you go to your house, you have a nice, beautiful house, and the next thing you know, it looks like a freaking crazy warehouse full of crap. It's a big pile of stuff that's not selling or not listed. So do you have a minimum price that you're looking to go after?
Now we're starting to do more towards $20 to $25.
Yes.
But before, that was our problem. We were just
buying everything.
just picking up anything that we could get for $1.
Now, for me, I always go after men's clothing because that's what I know. I'm a guy. I never really ventured into the women's section. It's kind of overwhelming and a little creepy at times as well when you're sourcing through women's. So
that's why I got her with me.
So do you go after women's and then you go after men's stuff?
I mean, we kind of do it together, and we pretty much, our best success actually has been women's bras.
Really?
Yeah.
I've actually heard that. I'm not trying to be a weirdo, but I heard the bigger, the humongous ones sell for a lot of money.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We found anything 38D and up will sell.
Really?
Yeah.
So you don't mess with the smaller stuff.
We still do if they're nicer bras.
If it's a nice clean bra.
So what's a bra even go for? I don't even know what it sells for.
We sell ours probably around $25 to $30 depending. Yeah.
Does that ship first class?
Yeah, they're pretty light. They weigh 4 ounces.
Yeah.
So yeah.
And what other types of clothing items do you typically go for? When you go into a Savers or a Goodwill, we're actually here at Red, White, and Blue in Waterbury at the Connecticut Thrifting Meetup. Is there a certain section you gravitate towards first, like jackets, or you go after accessories like ties and hats?
More towards jackets.
Yep,
We
that's
usually
the first
start
thing.
right with jackets, and then go to t-shirts, and then the bras, and then the women's clothes, and then shoes, and so on and so forth.
Okay. And what advice would you give to people who are maybe just getting started? Because you guys have been doing it for a little bit now. You were able to quit your job. What advice, what learning mistakes or learning curves or challenges have you had to kind of overcome?
A big thing that we had to overcome was that we didn't really know everything, and that there's a lot to learn.
Yeah.
We jumped into this thinking, oh, this could sell, oh, we know about this, but we really didn't know a lot about anything, and we just really had to do our research, keep doing the work, and just know that it's not going to happen overnight.
Yeah.
It's going to take time.
Did you fall into the mistake of just kind of buying cool things without researching the sold listings ahead of time?
Yep.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You can find really nice pieces of clothing that even in the store they go for 60 or 70.
Yeah.
But you list them for 30, they don't sell. 20, they don't sell. 10, they don't sell. And you're like, how are these people getting an $80 MSRP in the store?
Yeah. But it's it's so cheap.
And that's the
online.
interesting thing about clothing. That's what I like about clothing is it's not only about brand. Sometimes certain colors, materials, certain
For sure.
styles, lotting items up.
Yeah.
Sizes even too. Bigger sizes usually sell more frequently.
So what are your guys' goals in your business?
Pretty much to just branch out ourselves and our brand. We're trying to build ourselves as a brand and to just really
Like
help,
from like a social media standpoint,
Kinda,
with like
yeah.
a personal brand, or are you talking about your reselling business?
just kind of like a social media standpoint of
Yeah.
ourselves and trying to just be entrepreneurs and motivators.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
try to just inspire others and to really just do what they want to do. Because I mean, before we were both working crappy jobs and just did not like it, and we really flipped the switch one day. and
Yeah.
Just started reselling, started doing YouTube, and it's really opened so much more opportunities to us. Like, we're here now in Connecticut. Like, we would not have been here if it wasn't for YouTube or.
And that's the cool
eBay.
thing about YouTube, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like people don't realize like you could not only help people, you can make money as well. So you can go out thrifting,
Yeah.
make money from your thrifted stuff, then you create a haul video and then you get paid on that from YouTube as
Exactly.
well.
Yeah.
And you're actually helping people and it's not just, you know,
Yeah, yeah, we're trying to show people what we would buy in a thrift store so they know when they're out. Because
Yeah.
people love to see what other people have bought, and so
Yeah.
they know when they're in the thrift store.
any last words or advice that you would give to the people who are watching right now when it comes to selling clothing on eBay?
Do you got anything you want to start with?
Just do it. You can
Just
do
do
it.
it.
Literally.
Hey, that's Nike. You can't steal that.
Just, yeah.
So from
No, you go ahead.
I want to say what I said last time. It's a marathon, not a sprint. It's really, you have to look at the long haul of things and just wait it out, do your work, and just constantly be hungry.
Awesome. Well,
Yes.
hey,
Thank you.
all right.
Thank you.
Nice to have you guys on. If you
Yeah.
guys
We
enjoyed this
appreciate
video,
you.
like, comment, subscribe. Check out their YouTube channel as well, which is Thrift Store Gold. And
Yep.
it's actually spelled correctly
Yeah,
now.
a couple mistakes in the beginning here and there, but
They started their YouTube channel and they named it Thrift Store Gold. And they said, how'd you spell thrift?
it was theft. There was no R.
Was
And
there a point where you realized, like, crap, I forgot?
Someone actually called me out, one of the subscribers, and then I changed it again to Christina and Martin from Thrift Store Gold.
Oh, yeah.
And I misspelled it again.
Thrift.
Yeah, I spelled it thirf that time. So then the third time the charm, I got it
Lesson,
right.
the biggest lesson you get out of this video is you don't have to be the brightest bulb to make money selling on eBay.
That is true.
All right, guys, we'll see you in the next
Thank
one.
you.
Peace.
Thank you.